You'll remember my pumpkin arch from last year. Well, this is this year's pumpkin arch. We've expanded it. We have now 3 sections of mesh. Last year it was just the 2. And it's going great guns. We have lots of pumpkins. This time they're a yellow variety. Honestly, I cannot remember the name of it right now. And we have a massive one up the top here, which I have built a little hammock for, because what happens is if they get stuck on the metal, they grow around the metal and they do get a little bit stuck. So I've made a little safety hammock there for it, and that scar on it you'll see was where it was actually sitting on the mesh, and I had to save it. It's growing very strongly. I think I've got about 3 vines in there, a bit of overkill.